I'm going to take a little walk down the little trail behind the house. This must be the kayak trail. I'm going to try to get to some higher ground here real quick so I can see if there's any other boat docks. I think that's their entrance to their kayak there. Here is, I don't know if you can see the neighbor's boat dock or the other boat docks down there. Seems to be a couple. Assuming what you would have to do is clear out most of this stuff, or some of the stuff down here, and then bring a boat dock out in this general area. And now we're heading back. All right.